Welcome our visitors, our friends, our families. There's no way I'm referring you to a visitor, but we thank you because you have come in today. We were thirsty of your presence.
Now we see that the importance of the father when father neglect and abandon their child. And we can place father and churches in the same role. And many things can happen when father abandon or forsake their work, their job, and the lives of their children. We want to sing today the identity of a father. The identity of a father. A father is an important figure into the life of his children because they count on him. They trust him. A father is a signature of his children. However, a father that abandons his children causes them to be left without identity. When a father forsakes his children, you cause your children to be left without identity. A child without a father is a child without identity. The Bible says if you cannot take care of your family, if you cannot take care of family, you cannot take care of the work of God. Amen. But in our days, we see the reverse. We see many leaders leading churches, but their children astray. Their children elsewhere. They don't have control over the family, but they are leading church. But we as church, we as people, we so dumb and stupid, we accept it. We accept it. We are afraid to make our voice heard and say, no, this cannot happen because this is not according to the word of God. Because the thing is, we see many leaders, they put the work of God, the work of church first, and then family second. But in the Bible, it is not so. In the Bible, it is family first, then the work. When I said work, it's the work we're doing here. It's the work that I'm doing here. If your wife is sick and you play the piano, there is no way in the Bible that says for you to keep playing the piano. If you gotta go, brother, you gotta go to take care of your family. Because at home, when the wife, if you don't leave, the wife call you, and you don't leave, who do you think gonna be facing the problems? Not the Lord. But you're gonna be facing the problem. And we see many families destroyed because of this. Because the father they neglect the family, and then they put in more effort, more hours, more time in the work. God first, family second, the work of God third. The world reject, you see the movement of husband, what's going on? The movement of men. The world rejecting men. But something they forget about. Many men, they're not only men as well, but they are fathers as well. So when you reject men, when you say men is not important, you also saying fathers are not important. That's the reason why you see men have been leaving their home, they're leaving their house, they're leaving because there's no importance to them.